Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. I've been using the electronic grill for 2 weeks now. Now I understand more about how to use it. So if you guys want to see a full review on the electronic grill, I will be happy to do it for you guys. And today I'm gonna be cooking you guys this beautiful Entrecote 450 gram steak. We're gonna be using the electronic grill, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, while the electronic grill is heating up, let's start by seasoning our steak. I'm gonna be using sea salt this time. You wanna heavily season it because it's a big cut on both sides. Make sure you press a little bit so it enters the meat. Now for the other side. I'm gonna also be using pepper, and that's it. Remember, press a little bit and switch. Alright guys, after seasoning our steak, sometimes you get some transparent parts just like these. You want to remove them. They're super chewy and hard, but it's important to remove them so you're left with just the beautiful part of the steak. Alright guys, after leaving my steak for 15 minutes, we're gonna put it on the electronic grill directly. As you can see, a lot of smoke is coming out. Alright guys, we're gonna be flipping it every like 20 seconds. As you guys can see, we got our first grill marks on the front side. Now for the back side as well. Alright guys, as you can see, I put the aluminum grill back on. Now we're gonna just go slowly for about 10 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes so the steak doesn't burn. Alright guys, we pushed the heat to the max, and now we're gonna just flip the steak every 1 minute, and we're gonna repeat this process for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, while the steak is cooking, let's make ourselves a compound butter. Gonna be using a nice cube of butter. It's about 10 to 15 grams, and a little bit of rosemary. You can be generous with the rosemary, and we're gonna just mix it all together. Just like that. We're trying to kind of form a ball. When you get like this nice bowl form, just gonna take it out just like that, and we're gonna be putting it on the steak. Alright guys, I just took my steak out, as you can see. Now we're gonna just put our compound butter. I'm gonna use my hands to kind of spread it out a little bit. and I'm just gonna leave it in the center. I'm gonna press the butter a little bit, and we're gonna just leave it for 10 minutes and we're gonna cut it open. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, now we're gonna start cutting. I'm gonna removing this part first, and then we're gonna go into the big part. Let's see. I'm telling you guys, it smells incredible. I can't wait to taste it. What do you guys think? Alright guys, we're back inside. Let's try the steak and I'm gonna give you my opinion about it. Alright guys, this steak is the best steak I have ever made in my entire life. The steak is juicy and you get this charcoal taste to it from the grill marks as well. The butter also helped us to get like a slightly dry, slightly less dry steak. The rosemary and the garlic are in there as well. One thing that I would change in the steak is probably getting less temperature. So this is about medium. I would probably go next time for medium rare, since you lose some of the juices when you put it directly on heat. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like as well, and see you guys next one.